Today's wig unit is going to be from Dolago.com. And this is the packaging. I'm going to get into it really quick. So inside you do get a few goodies. You get this wig cap. And this one is in like the light nude color, as well as an elastic band, just in case you want to sew that on your unit to make it more secure. And also you get your hair in this package, of course. So this is what the unit looks like. It is a 12-inch bob, straight hair, natural color, and it is a lace front. But it is a full lace wig, okay? So now we're gonna apply the unit. So I like to start off using the Got To Be Glued, and I just put that around my edges, just a thin layer. I do go back in and do one more layer after it dries down, but we don't need to be sitting here watching my hairline dry. So we're gonna definitely skip through to the part where I add some color to the lace. Okay, so I like to use this Ruby Kisses powder to put on the inside of the lace because I don't like bleaching knots. It takes a while and you still wind up having to put powder or something, so I just skip the step and put powder to the lace. Sometimes I use foundation, but today we're going to use powder. And I just put it all over the lace part where, you know, it's visible. Alright, and now I'm going to apply the unit to my head. I already did my baby hairs and all that good stuff, as you can see. It did come pre-plucked, with a pre-plucked hairline and some baby hairs, but I did go back in and just spice up the baby hairs. So originally I thought that I just wanted to have the hair straight and have like a few curls on the top. But as it dropped, I was like, nah, I think I want to add some curls like to the whole entire bob. So that's what I'm doing here. And I am using my Babyliss curling iron. And I would definitely recommend this curling iron. So if I could find a link, I'll put it in the bottom bar. But on both sides of my head, I am curling going back. I'm not going to show you the whole entire process of me curling the hair on this part, and you'll see why soon. But I'm basically just doing the same exact step over and over and over. Okay, we're curling backwards, and we're going to hold it on the barrel. You're using medium-sized chunks, and you will let it go. If you want to have a more defined curl, I would definitely recommend some type of hairspray, or you doing pin curls, and that just means you take like a bobby pin and you just stick it in there. But I just wanted loose curls in the beginning, but then I was like, we shall see. Alright, so this is basically the final result for now, because I am going to go back in and you'll see why. Okay, so I actually finished my hair. I posted a picture. And I was going to just finish off the video, but I decided that I do want to do some more curls to my hair. I added some of the Amika Undone. This is a volume and matte texture spray, and it works excellent for hair. Like if you have hair that is like really soft like this one, and you want to put like curls and hold it in place, or if you just want to hold your hair in place period, you can use this spray, and I promise you, like, it is like one of the best sprays ever. It doesn't leave any residue, it doesn't make your hair feel sticky, but it does hold. It holds very well. I really love this spray. This is my favorite spray, and I make sure I have one on hand at all times for those rare occasions when I want to do like curls in my hair. So what I'm gonna do is, I already sprayed it. I might spray a little bit more, but I'm gonna go and recurl my hair and then spray it again. I thought I was recording, but off camera I did go in and sprayed some more of the Amika Undone, and I'm gonna spray it afterwards as well. For a better hold, you can definitely spray it right before, like directly to the hair right before you do your curl, okay? But I'm basically doing the same exact steps that I did in the beginning. I'm curling, going backwards, and as you can see, the curls are looking way more defined than they did when I did it in the last part of the tutorial. And that's because now it's holding something. I don't know, clean hair, to me, it gets a little bit more, it just drops quicker. But when you have hair that's a little dirty, to me, it just holds better. So with that spray, as you can see, I'm spraying again. It just did a great job, and these are my results. It just came out so beautiful. It has so much bounce, so much body. I absolutely love this hair. This bob is amazing. So stay tuned for all the details and specs. So this is my result, and I just love the way this unit came out. So really quick, let me just go over the specs. So this unit is from Dolago. I've done 2 other reviews on this company. If you haven't seen them, I'm gonna have the other 2 videos linked down in the bottom bar for you to check it out. But they have become one of my favorite wig companies because they have some bomb wigs, okay? This is their bob lace wig. It does have the 250% density. It has a 6-inch parting space, and that's what I was telling you about right here in the middle. It's 14 inches, which is my favorite length if you were getting a bob. It's straight hair, and it's in its natural color, so you can go in and you could dye it. You could, if you're gonna dye it, I would say you dye it darker because it's already a darker color. But if you want to lighten it, I would definitely recommend that you do some type of bleach or developer on the hair to lift the color, okay? So this is what the unit looks like. Again, I did do a little bit of cutting to the unit, but I think it came out so pretty, and it really didn't need to be cut, but I just had like a specific like look I wanted to try out, and I just love playing with it because you could just get so many different looks. Like, I just love my hair right now. I'm just loving it. I look grown, I look sexy, I just love it. So far so good. I haven't been getting any tangling, I haven't been getting any shedding whatsoever, to be honest with you. As far as the hairline, I did do a little tiny bit of plucking, but it did come with like baby hairs, and I just made them a little shorter. I tried something new. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my baby hairs this short anymore, but I just wanted to try it out. I don't think it looks bad, but I prefer my baby hairs to look a little longer. So that was on me. I cut them too short, but the hair is really soft, and I think it's a very nice bob. Like, this is one of the prettiest bobs I've gotten in a long time, so I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit. I would definitely recommend this company. Are very professional. So I'm gonna leave all the information for Dolago here down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's chat in the comments, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.